Well, good afternoon, and we're here to talk about a spring tradition in Albuquerque, and there are many, but one, of course, is kind of cleaning up our town after the wind and the cold and the weather getting a little bit warmer. We always have lots of cleaning up to do, and so it's been a long-standing tradition that with city government we try and support that. And so you're going to see in communities all over Albuquerque our guys out working with the community to help pick up trash in different ways. We're going to talk about some of those details, but we ramp up our services, and part of that is about providing neighborhoods with an opportunity to actually do their own pickups but be supported by solid waste. And so it's all part of the Keep Albuquerque Beautiful program that has an awesome new logo, and the spring cleanup efforts that we do throughout Albuquerque. So you're going to see this, I think, for about the next 6 weeks. And if you're interested, we're going to share all the information on how you can get involved. And we're out here at Tower Park out on the west side, which is actually a beautiful Little League and park that a lot of folks don't know about, but also has plenty of mesa land and wind. And so it's one of the areas we always like to clean up come spring. So with that, let me hand it over to the city councilor from this area, and also our committee of the whole chair, and a still and former neighborhood leader too, Councilor Klarissa Peña. Councilor?
Thank you, Mayor. I really appreciate you launching this here in my district. As you know, we have a lot of illegal dumping issues, and Keep Albuquerque Beautiful program has been a wonderful program throughout the years. And as a result of COVID and all of us starting to come back out and enjoy the outdoors, we really need to get together and work together to get our areas clean. So the one that's happening in my district is actually on May 8th. The deadline to register is May 5th, and I'm sure they're going to give you all the details, but I think you guys are doing it a little different. Thanks, Matthew Whelan and Mayor. They're actually creating kind of a challenge and teams so that people can just come together from your neighborhood associations. If you don't belong to a neighborhood association, just individually get together, form a team, and let's keep Albuquerque beautiful. Thank you.
Great point, and yes, you can kind of form your own team, and we'll supply you with trash bags and even sometimes the little tongs and things like that. So for details on this, our Director of Solid Waste, Matt Whelan.
Thanks, Mayor. Well, we were really excited to kick this off. We kind of re-envisioned, we usually do an Earth Day thing, so as Earth Day's coming up, we wanted to follow that with what we're calling Albuquerque Cleanup Month, and it's 4 consecutive Saturdays of us partnering with the community, partnering with neighborhood associations, but also if you don't have a neighborhood association, you can sign up and be kind of a team leader, get your own team, and you can be the point person. And we're going to do it for 4 consecutive Saturdays starting next Saturday. And the way we're going to do it is we've quadrant off the city based on the river, the freeways, so each quadrant has a Saturday. And so we're kicking everything off next Saturday in the southeast. So we want to get everybody to sign up. We'll have supplies that we can give to you guys, and it's really a partnership with Keep America Beautiful, and it's part of Keep Albuquerque Beautiful. But it's also one of our campaigns is to keep Burque clean. And that's one of the things we really, really want to do is just to continue to keep our neighborhoods clean. So we're going to have teams cleaning up their neighborhoods. We'll have a central location. This is what you'll see at your central location. So we'll have dumpsters there for refuse. We will bring recycling bins in for recycling, and we will also have trucks there so that you can bring things that we can put right into the back. So if you have large items that need to be brought, you can bring them to us. We'll be at that central location from 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. 8 to 12, and I'll just go off those locations. The southeast will be April 24th from 8 a.m. to 12, and the central location will be Phil Chacon Park, and that's kicking off next Saturday. The deadline for registration for that is by this Wednesday. Then the week after that, it'll be May 1st from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. May 1st, the central location will be North Domingo Baca. The registration deadline for that is April 28th. In the Southwest, It'll be from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and the central location will be here at Tower Park. So we'll set it up like this and you can bring your stuff and we'll take it from you. And the deadline for that one is May 5th. In the Northwest, it'll be May 15th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. The central location will be Mariposa Basin Park, but that one, because of where the solid waste department is located, we'll also have a site set up at the solid waste management department located right there on Edith. So that'll be the 4th of our month cleanup. I'd encourage everybody to get involved, sign up. You can go to our website, cabq.gov, solid waste /cleanup, and get your team signed up, and then you can get the materials you need that we'll give you. And get you one of these nice green shirts. And this is what they call safety green, so that's why we picked this color. So when you're cleaning your neighborhood, it's a safe color, but it's also a really cool logo. And we really look forward to partnering with the community. We really look forward to helping the residents, and we really, really want to continue to strive to keep Burque clean. All right? Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Director. And we're fortunate to be joined by the first neighborhood that signed up this year. So we're very excited. Rusty Goetz, did I say that last name right? Rusty Goetz is here from Four Hills Village Association. Made the long trip across town. And so would love to hear her perspective on the importance of cleaning up our neighborhoods. Rusty?
Thank you. Hi, Four Hills Village is about 60 years old. We have about 1,400 families. And this, to my knowledge, is at least the 6th year we're working with the city on the cleanup. And while we work every year with the city, we also do several unscheduled neighborhood run cleanups. We have a group of folks that love living next to the open space, and of course we're next to the base, so we have a lot of wildlife, and we also have a lot of wind, so we wind up picking up very often. So I want to thank the city, the mayor, and Emily, Mila, all you folks with the department for setting this up, helping us move it. So, thank you.
Awesome. Good open space up there. Okay, well, I think with that, and I know it is chilly, especially for those of us in t-shirts, but Bach, do you want to, if there's any questions?
Any of the folks here have questions? I think we covered it there.
All right. Well, hey.
One last
Yep.
thing. They can sign up for all 4.
Oh yeah, and it's actually cabq.gov/cleanup.
Okay, cabq.gov/cleanup, and I challenge everybody, if you sign up for your neighborhood, I challenge you to try and sign up for other neighborhoods so you can help other neighborhoods and see if you can hit all 4 quadrants on all 4 Saturdays. Again, cabq.gov/cleanup.
Awesome.
Matt, so I've had people ask, can they do the bull skate?
We are going to have some people sit down.
Wait, do it in here so they can pick up.
So what we are going to do is we do have some volunteers that we're getting together, and we are going to dispatch those volunteer teams that aren't going to go into a neighborhood. We're either going to send them into bike trails, the bosque, or into parks to clean up the parks as well. So we'll dispatch our volunteers. So if you live in one of these quadrants and you have your own neighborhood but you want to help, you can sign up to volunteer. You can sign up and volunteer for another quadrant, and we'll send you somewhere to help clean that area up as well.
Awesome. All right, thanks so much, everybody. Stay warm this weekend. Bye-bye.